Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to protect your personal information on Upstart. So since Upstart handles sensitive financial data, taking steps to protect your personal and financial information is extremely crucial. So here's how to get that done. Now the first is to verify that you're on Upstart's official website. So the official website is right there on the screen. So you want to beware of scam warnings. So beware of fraudulent lookalikes website that promise guaranteed approvals. So these are all scams, and you want to make sure that you only visit Upstart through the official site. And also you want to use strong and unique passwords. So create a strong password with uppercase, lowercase, numbers and symbols. So and you could also choose to enable two-factor authentication if available, because that's going to add an extra layer of security to your account. Next is to avoid public Wi-Fi's when accessing your account. Now, public networks can expose your login credentials. Always use a VPN or a secure home network instead. Also, you want to watch out for phishing scams. So Upstart is never going to ask for passwords or payment information via email. If you receive suspicious messages, want to make sure that you contact support, Upstart support, to verify the legitimacy of these mails. Fifth is to regularly monitor your credit and loan accounts. You can use credit monitoring services to detect unauthorized activities. You also want to review your loan statements frequently, because that's going to help you to catch discrepancies much early. So yeah, that's pretty much it on the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here easy enough to understand and helpful. And if you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one.